How to withdraw Bitcoin from Robinhood app. To withdraw Bitcoin from Robinhood app, first of all, make sure to launch the Robinhood application and you'll find different cryptocurrencies that you actually have over here. So if you just come to this page also, on the home page also, you'll find different type of cryptocurrencies. So let me come here, scroll down to the bottom, you can see this cryptos to watch section, and under cryptos to watch, you can tap the plus icon first and you can simply search for BTC. And when you search for BTC, I'll just add that right there. And once I've done that, I'm going to come back, then tap on BTC. If I have some kind of a Bitcoin available that maybe you've purchased it or maybe you've earned it, you decided you want to sell it or withdraw it, first of all, you must have to sell that Bitcoin for a fiat currency, and then only you can withdraw that fiat currency to your bank account. But before that, if I tap any of these buttons, you can see it will ask me to activate a crypto transfer. So if you've not activated your crypto transfers within Robinhood, when you tap on get started, acknowledge this, and then you'll not be able to withdraw your cryptocurrency. So make sure you've acknowledged the terms and conditions and that you've created your Robinhood crypto account. From there on, you can go ahead and basically link it to your desired payment method. This way I can withdraw Bitcoin from Robinhood app. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.